如何把 polarizer 跟 wave plate 结合起来啊，去做出更有意义的事情。For a half-wave plate, we have gamma equal to pi, 3 pi, and 7啊，就奇数倍的 pi 啊，也就是说2n 加1啊，这个书上用的符号叫2n加1 pi 啊，这边 nu 是一个整数。Half-wave plate。那回想一下 gamma 是什么东西啊 ？Gamma is this factor。Okay. And this is equal to 2 pi L over lambda n s minus n. The difference of these two refractive indices that corresponding to this two crystal axis times the thickness L is the thickness of the waveplate. Omega is the angular frequency of the light, and C is the speed of light in vacuum. Okay. Here lambda is the wavelength of the light in vacuum. L is the thickness of the waveplate. Okay, gamma is this quantity. So if gamma is equal to odd number times pi, then we call this waveplate half waveplate. So if we have this half waveplate, usually, we use a half-wave plate in this way, that we choose, we arrange the orientation of these two axes, slow axis, fast axis. We assume that this is pi over 4, which means 45 degrees. Okay. The slow axis is along the direction that the angle between the slow axis and the x-axis is 45 degrees. Then we choose the incident light to be polarized along the y direction. Y direction. And here gamma is equal to, say, pi. Okay. Then we want to see, find the resultant polarization after penetration through this wavelength. So originally we have B equal to 0, 1. Okay. And we have W equal to our minus side, minus pi over 4. Cosine pi over 4 is equal to 1 over square root 2. So here we have 1. And minus sine psi, here we have minus 1 over square root 2. And 1, 1. And what is W0? W0 exponential minus I pi over 2. This is minus I. So this is minus I. 0, 0. And here is I. And R psi is equal to 1 over square root 2. 1, 1 minus 1, 1. Okay. So the result is 1/2. Okay. Minus I, minus I, minus I times 1, 1 minus 1, 1. And here we encounter minus I plus I, which is equal to 0. I plus minus I, 0.等一下。看一下啊，负 I， 负 I， 负 I， I 没错，好。OK， minus I， minus I， OK。 So so you can find B prime by multiplying W with V. And this is equal to minus I times 1, 0. Okay. Someone you may recognize that this matrix is nothing but minus I times the sigma x. Sigma x means the Pauli matrix, the x component of the Pauli matrix. Pauli matrix x. The x component of the Pauli matrix. This matrix is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. It exchanged the x component and y component. So originally we have 0, 1. Then finally we have 1, 0. Okay, because it exchanged the x and y components. And this phase vector is redundant. Okay, we have already explained in chapter 3 that this phase vector is irrelevant when we are asked about the polarization state. OK， 就这个额外的 phase 是不重要的，在判断 polarization state 它不重要啊。然后呢，我们如果问 polarization state 是 polarization state， 它就是 x polarized x 方向的 polarization 啊，所以它就把 y 变成了 x 啊，把 y 变成 x 啊。So originally we have the y polarized light, and finally we have the x polarized light. To understand the physical effect of the halfway plate is very, very easy because for a halfway plate, it means that if you observe the W0 part, okay, I have already explained that you can write W0 as minus I times